In today's video, I'll teach you how to install the Lazada app. So if you want to install the Lazada app, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. If you're using the Apple device, what you have to do is open the App Store. If you're using the Android device, open Play Store on your device. Now you can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Lazada. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Lazada and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find this option for install. What you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Until the Lazada application is being installed, you can simply scroll down. You'll be able to find more about this app. Also, you'll be able to see the reviews, etc. You'll also be able to see the data safety over here. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to read this app. If you scroll down more, you can see the ratings and reviews over here. So read these informations very carefully. After you do that, scroll to the up. Now you can see over here Lazada application has been installed. Now you can open it and use it. So that is how you install the Lazada app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.